Hello everyone, welcome to your channel YouTube. Today I want to teach you 5 basic boxing skills or techniques. Today I want to show you how you use the 5 boxing skills or boxing techniques I want to teach you. Now see, the first technique we want to show you how we use the boxing or how hit the boxer, the pitch, how hitting the boxing. See, like this. We want to show now like this. The first technique is this: jab, jab, cross. See how I use this. 1, 1, 1, 2. This is the first technique. 1, 1, 2. Front, 1, 1, 2. Speed. 1, yes. 1, yes. 1, 1, 2. Yes. 1, 1, 2. 1. Jab. Yes, jab, jab, cross. This is the first technique. We hit jab, first jab, the second jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Now I want to show you the second technique, how I hit the second technique. See, the second technique, jab, you hit your opponent. This person go side, hit uppercut, cross. 1, side, uppercut, cross. Yes. 1, roll. 1, 2. Speed. 1. Yes. Yes. 1. See, we want to work slowly how you use this. Jab, hit, slow. Your opponent go, slip, uppercut, hook, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Speed. 2, 2, 2. Yes. Again. 2. Yes. 2. Yes. This is the second technique. Your opponent, you hit jab. Your opponent hits cross. You should go slip, uppercut, cross. This is the second technique. Jab, slip, uppercut, cross. Now I want to show you the third technique. How I hit the third technique. Like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. 2. Yes. See, now we want to work slowly. At first, hit, jab, cross. The second, go back, uppercut, turn, hook. Turn, hook, like this. See, slowly. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes. Okay, cross, back. See, the first, your opponent hits, jab, cross, go back. If you hit your opponent, not hit your opponent, go back and again hit uppercut, side hook, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes. Yes. This is the third technique. You hit jab, cross, again go back, uppercut, hook. 1, 2, go back, uppercut, hook. This is the third technique. Now I want to show you the fourth technique, how we hit the third technique or for skills boxing. Now, 1, 2, 1, third. Yes. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, 1, 2. At first, you hit jab, cross, your opponent hits hook. You go like roll. 1, 2. Cross, hook. The second technique. 1, 2, roll, cross, hook. Yes. 1, 2, cross, yes. 1, 2, yes. How we hit. See, now we work slowly how hit the boxing. 1, jab, cross, roll, 1, 2. Jab, cross, roll, cross, go. Yes. 1, 2, roll, cross, go. Yes. Now I want to show you the 5 technique, how we hit the 5 technique. See, now I want to work this. See, now I want to work the 5th technique. 1, 2, you hit your open, turn, uppercut, go, press. Again. See? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Get press. First fighting. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes. See? At first jab, press, you hit, turn your open, uppercut, hook, press. Again. 1, 2, turn, uppercut, hook, press. Yes. Now we work his feet. Yes. Yes. Slowly. See? At first, jab, cross, 1, turn, 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 1, turn, uppercut, hook, press. The speed. Yes. Technique. You hit jab, cross, turn, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. See? Jab, cross, turn, uppercut, hook, press. 1, jab, cross, turn, uppercut, hook, press. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos.